This video demonstrates how to customize the quiz results display for learners' quiz submissions. Creating a custom submission view provides learners with additional insight into their quiz attempt and the quiz attempts of their peers. Click the Evaluation and Feedback accordion and click Customize Quiz Results Displays. In the Primary View Display section, click Edit View. Enter a message in the Custom Message field. In the Grade section, select or unselect the Display Attempt Grade for Evaluated Questions checkbox. In the Questions drop-down menu, select an option for how you want quiz questions displayed after a learner submits their quiz. For the Statistics section, select the desired checkboxes if you want the quiz grade average and the grade distribution stats displayed to learners. Click Update. If you want to add an additional view to the quiz, click the Additional View button. The customization options are the same, except you can set a date and time when you want the additional view to appear. When you've finished creating your additional view, click Create. Click OK, and then Save and Close. Your custom quiz results display appears when learners submit their quiz.